What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Today we are heading to Burlington right now. I haven't been to my local Burlington in a while, and we're going to be doing some retail arbitrage. So if you're not sure what that is, that's buying items from retail stores and flipping them on eBay or Amazon for profit. Anyone can do this, but it does take some time to get good at it, and it is going to vary from store to store. This Burlington typically is pretty good and restocks quite a bit in the sections that I'm looking to buy, which is men's clothing and men's shoes. But again, just because I'm buying men's clothing and men's shoes doesn't mean that's what you should be buying. Source in the areas of the store that you're familiar with. I enjoy men's clothing and men's shoes. Source the things that you're interested in. There's literally profit in all different departments of these stores. But it has been a hot minute since we've been in this Burlington, literally a month and a half. And I've been seeing people in my group Bread and Butter absolutely eating up all of these cleats and a bunch of things in here. So I've been getting a little FOMO, so we're gonna see what we can find ourselves. We just arrived. Let's hit it. All right, let's start it off with an absolute bang that I saw right when I walked in. $29.99 on these Nike Vapors, and look at what they're selling for. These have the detachable cleats, so they're absolute cash, as well as these Savages. Unfortunately, they are size 18, where they would be coming with me, and there were two pairs right here beside each other that I really wanted to take, but not going to do that. Saw these ugly shoes and thought they might be good, but they're already tanked, so not enough meat on the bone there. Then we've got these golf shoes that are they go for about $60, so I ended up passing on all but the bigger sizes. And then we've got these Nike cleats that are an absolute win. We find two pairs of these, $20 to $60 on both of those. These, I'm afraid, are probably going to tank eventually, but molded cleats typically sell pretty well for baseball, so we'll pick those up, and we'll probably be able to get about $50 for those, as well as these that are actually doing pretty well, $55, $60 on those. And then these are always really good. The high tops in that same kind that we already found, they always go for between $60 and $70. Then we found some more Savages that would have been great, but there's stains all down the side of this. I'm sure I could make some money on those, but I don't really want to deal with that, so I put them back. These, I didn't even have to look at the solds because we can see the actives are already completely tanked, so we're out on those. Got super excited for these. They were on sale, but size 18, and I'm not messing with that big of a shoe, so I ended up putting those back. Then we found another track cleat, but unfortunately they were tanked as well, so we're not messing with those, so we put those back. And then we found another pair of these molded cleats, but in just a white colorway, so those should do well, like $60. Actually found two pairs of those, so we'll throw both of those in the cart. And then we found some turf cleats here, $20 for some Adidas that go for over like $50, so should be pretty good. I thought this was a Nike Joel Embiid here in the clothes, but it's Fanatics, so it's not worth it. And then I found a Nike Cavs polo for $16.99, but again, not worth it. So didn't really find anything here in the clothes scanning through, so we're just gonna go with what we have here with all of the shoes. Not a bad day at the office. Spent about $250. And should double that, if not a little more. Just so happened to catch a restock. The guy was putting out a bunch of those cleats as I was getting there, so that's how I was able to get a lot of those. I know some of you are going to go to your stores and probably not see a single one of these shoes. You just got to kind of check in the Burlington every so often, get their restock schedule. Every single one of them is going to be a little different. And sometimes of the year it's going to be really dry. It's been dry for the past several months, but now that it's cleats season, they're starting to stock these cleats, and that's why I decided to go in today just to see what they had, and we got a pretty decent haul. Sorry this video is so short, but I just wanted to get a new sourcing retail arbitrage video up, and I hope this is able to help your business in some way, showing the reasons I picked some items up, the reasons I put some items back. But just get out there and hustle, just get out there and comp everything. It takes years and years to get good at this. All I'm doing is using the eBay app, looking at the sold listings, looking at the sell-through rate. I have a whole video explaining all of that. It just takes a while to get good at it. Get out there and just comp everything and build that mental knowledge so that you can have an eye for profit in the future. So thank you all so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you're interested in my reselling group, you can check that out. First link in the description if you want to learn more or join. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Profit.